So you just got an iPhone 15 and you're not too sure if you actually need to network unlock it or not. Well, the main reason to network unlock it would be to swap to another service provider. Or if you're traveling overseas and you want to use your phone with a local carrier there. Here's how you can check if you actually need to unlock your iPhone. First, get the SIM card ejector tool, which comes with the phone. Insert it into the SIM card slot. Push it in until the SIM card tray pops out. Then, remove the tray. Then take a SIM card from another carrier and have the metal side faced up with the notch cut lined up as well, and place it onto the tray, face up. Once that's done, insert it back into the iPhone and make sure the metal side is faced up. Then, try to get to the home screen and dismiss any messages that you see. But if you run into a message that says SIM not supported, that means your iPhone is network locked. So you won't be able to use any other network providers until you have your iPhone unlocked. So what do you do now? Well, you'll need to find your IMEI number for the network unlocking process. There are two ways to find your IMEI number. First is by going to the settings, tap on General, then About. Then scroll down and you should see your IMEI number. Then the second way is by going to the dial pad. Then dial *#06# and your IMEI should be shown automatically. Once you found your IMEI number, you can contact your network carrier with the IMEI number to request for a network unlock. But if they are unable to unlock it for any reasons, you can contact a third-party company such as Cellunlocker.net to network unlock your iPhone. Once you receive the confirmation from the carriers or the third-party company like Cellunlocker.net that it's unlocked, insert a SIM card from another carrier and it should just go through and show the carrier's name at the top. And you can also try making a phone call as well. And if it goes through, it means it's network unlocked. Now you can use your iPhone 15 series with any other carriers, whether it be swapping to another carrier or with a local carrier overseas when you're traveling. So have at it. And if you'd like to see more, please share, like, comment, and subscribe.